Hello everyone, our today's topic is present perfect tense. In this lesson, I'm going to tell you when we use the present perfect, how we make sentences in the present perfect, and some time expressions that we can use in the present perfect tense. First, we discuss about when we use the present perfect. We use the present perfect to talk about actions that started in the past but have a connection to the present. For example, she has studied English for 3 years. In this example, the action of studying English started in the past but continues up to the present moment. We also use the present perfect to describe an action that happened at an unspecified time in the past. For example, I have eaten breakfast. Person tells us, I have eaten breakfast, but I don't remember what time it was. As you can see, in this example, time is not specified. We also use the present perfect to describe an action that has been completed, but the results are still visible. For example, I have painted the room and it looks great. In this example, the action of painting the room is complete, but the results of that action is still visible and the room looks great. We can also use the present perfect to talk about experiences in our life. For example, they have visited the Great Wall of China. This example indicates that they have visited the Great Wall of China at some point in the past, but that experience has some impact on their present. Now let's discuss how to make positive, negative, and question form in present perfect tense. For positive form, start with the subject, add have for I, you, we, and they, or has for he, she, it, and then add the past participle form of the verb. For example, she has finished her homework. They have eaten dinner. As you can see, with he, she, and it, we use has. And with I, you, we, and they, we use have. Next is how to make negative form. We use not, after have, or has to form negative sentences and then add the past participle form of the verb. For example, she has not finished her homework. They have not eaten dinner. And for question form, we always begin with have or has, add the subject, and then add the past participle form of the verb. For example, has she finished her homework? Have they eaten dinner? Now let's discuss some most common time expressions for and since. For indicates the duration of time. For example, I have studied law for 3 years. She has played the guitar for 5 years. They have worked there for 5 months. Our next time expression is since. Since refers to the starting point of the action. For example, I have read 30 pages since yesterday. He has worked as a doctor since 2021. We have waited for her since 9 p.m. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.